Here is a quick demonstration on how to transfer from a 96 plate to a 384 plate. Imagine this to be your first elution plate and with your 12-channel pipette. Go into the A row and pipette here, so that as you can see here A1 is always one well skipped. Then into row B, take your stuff and also jump over the second well and go to the third. As you can see here, I highlighted it with black dots. And the same from C from first plate, then here again one row skipped, and this is done on the second plate. That's how we do it when we do it manually. We go to the A row again and go into the second one here. And then B row, C row, D row. If that is your third plate again, first row will then be here between the left side. Then B, C, D, and so on. The fourth plate will then be here. So basically when that is your plate, that's what I meant with the quadrants. The first plate A1 will be here from the second plate and the A1 will be here third plate, this A1 will be here. Fourth plate. When you have put that into an Excel sheet, then you can easily combine the 4 plates into one 384. So it's just a one, you just enter the patient's IDs or sample names and how you are going to track them. Only once into an Excel sheet, and on a different side you'll get them schematic form, the 384 scheme that you can also save and load into the Quad Studio software, so that is basically not a big deal. You can either do that manually, of course you need a steady hand and need to concentrate a little bit. Also with a pipette with 96, but then we also go all the way down here and have the 96 but do exactly the same, A1 here, the second plate A1 here, and so on. So either automatic or manually, but the procedure is always same. You should always put it like that, because then when we go from manual pipetting to automatic pipetting, you don't need to make changes on the plate setup or everything else. Always while you put the quadrants and marked first here, second here, and so on, but always jump between the plates and always have one in the middle and always have big quadrants that is on A1 quadrant. This would be every A2 from all 4 plates. Here will be the first plate, the second plate, the third plate, and the fourth plate.